Good evening, everyone. Hello, good morning. Okay, inform your plans to join the class. Let me listen. My plans to join class. Good morning. Anyone still not? Yes, morning. But and okay, last class I have seen the perfection path with the text. So in previous class we have seen, in the last class we have seen about the wait a second, guys. Okay, hello guys. My voice is audible to you guys. Hello. Anyone give some response, guys? Hello. It's audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So in last class we have seen the production, path production and path expression, path sum. Okay. Have rules. We have seen that rules. Now we'll go with the protection process. Okay. So your protection path. previous class we have seen this till here loops, everything. We have seen all about this. Okay. So now we are going to the directional procedure. So in this reduction of procedure, it is an algorithm. Okay, reduction procedure is algorithm. This section presents the reduction procedure for converting the a program whose links are labeled with a name into the path expressions. Okay, that donate the set of all the entry and exit path in the indexed flow graph. Okay, the procedure is about removing the algorithm. So we have three steps in the prediction algorithm. Okay, combining all the serial links by multiplying their path expression. While doing the multiplication, you are doing, for example, you have two nodes. While doing the multiple, first if you are having two nodes, that is A and B, that nodes will be multiplied. While multiplying, we will write that nodes as a AB. Okay, AB. We will denote that node as AB. Okay, if you are having the finding the all the parallel links for the adding. Okay. So that time we will do that. We will write that expression as a plus B. Okay. So reducing the all the self loop. So for the purpose for the node itself, the node itself it is calling by replacing them by with a link of a link of the for if you are removing like whenever you are removing the self loop, that time you are writing the statement as a star. Okay, you are writing that statement as a star where is x is a path expression of the link in that loop, like this x star. Like you have to represent that node. Okay, if you are reducing that expression. So we have the steps. Okay, 4 to 8 are in the algorithm loops. Okay, so loops we have the substeps to follow. Select any node for removing other than the initialize or the final node. Replace it with a set of equivalent link whose path expressions correspond all the wave used can be found the producer of the set of in link with the set of out link of the nodes. So combining and removing. Look at this example, guys. You will get to know. The coming is by multiplying the path expression minor parallel is adding the moving the same these three steps by same what is in the step and the fourth eight are the new steps. Okay. Adding to remove the loops. Okay. So this is the diagram, guys. Loop removing operations, how we are doing the loops. First we will go with that cross check cross steps. So this is the fundamental steps of reducing the algorithm. Okay, so using the nodes, reducing the node by one. Okay, so you are removing the nodes, guys. So let this diagram. So here the steps. Okay, so you don't do one expressions and one exit node. Okay, the following diagram showing the situation. Here look at this diagram. We have this A and B, C, D, F. Okay, C, D, T. So this is the nodes. Okay, here what we are doing is selecting remove that. So this A, C. Okay, AC, B, A and E. Okay, this is the node, and the B, C. Okay, this is the node. And the next we have the BD and the BE and BC. So this is the first step, and this is the another diagram. So we have combined this node. Okay, then we are giving to we are doing loop A B. Okay, multiplying. We are multiplying the nodes of rule among the seriously by the multiplying their part expression. So while you're doing the multiplication of that part expression, you are going at AC. Okay, we are do not as a AC. Okay, if you are we are adding for that, we are going with the A plus B for parallel node. Okay, and this is the serial link, so that's why we are doing the multiplication. If it is a parallel link, then we will go with the addition, adding the nodes. That time you have to denote by A plus B. If you are calling with the self loop, then you have to write A star. Okay, so look at this from the above diagram. A plus B, A plus B, C plus D plus E. So that notes, this is the expression that we are getting this path A, C. Okay, so look at this, guys. So this is the first cross team steps, guys. What we are in the combination of all the series links by multiplying with the path. Okay, and next is for loop removing operation. So we are removing the operation. There are two ways of loop removing the operation. So look at this loop removing the operation. So this is the first expression. It is a self loop. Okay, self loop. It is calling itself. So in that loop, what you are doing means in this what you are doing means we are finding the path expression, guys, from easy way. Okay, whatever the easy nodes will be there, we will select that nodes. With that nodes we will do the path expression. Okay, so here for removing the loops, so look at this first diagram. So this is the self loop. Okay, so x is a self loop, then we are representing that self loop while removing this x. So you have to represent that loop as a x into a x star x. We are representing that whenever you are removing the loop in the diagram. So in that diagram, so you have to go with that algorithm. When you are removing this node, you have to present node into x in star. Okay, whenever in the diagram you have to removing that node, you have to denote like that. Okay, so there, this is the first procedure. This is the first way of removing the loop. Okay, this is the another way for removing the loop. So what you are doing means you have node A. So A node, we are giving the same node, we are calling one more node, that is we are saying that A plus A dash. Okay, oh, we are calling the one more node of A1. Okay, so here this is the self loop. So this node A is traveling from the A plus node. Okay, Because so this one it is calling the one more node, that is a dash, and we are putting a link between them. Okay, we are putting between them. So we are giving the path expression as x star. Okay, then we remove the a dash. Okay, using the step fourth and fifth. So this is the fourth and fifth steps, which we will remove that expression. Okay, as per we are removing the fourth, and by using the fourth and fifth steps we are removing this alias, and we are giving the we are giving a node. Okay, the a node x to y and x into z, giving the outer going link whose path expression is x into star x and the x star y. Okay, this is the example the procedure. So look at this example. We have three rules. Okay, three rules, and we have the removing rules. We have the four to eight. We have the algorithm loops for loop removing. So keep in mind that loops we are removing the diagram. Okay, we are finding the path expression. In this diagram, what you are doing is we are moving to easy wave path. Okay, what the diagram. Okay, diagram. So, so here we have planned the algorithm for reducing the procedure. So this is the diagram, guys. Okay, this is the flow graph diagram. Okay, in this we have the node 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and the self loop. Okay, so first we are removing the self loop, guys. That is node 10. Okay, remove the node 10 by applying step 4. So step 4 we are by using the step 4 we are removing that node, that is x10. Okay, and next so in the step 4 what the rule will we have the select any node for remove other than the initializing or the final node. Okay, replace it with a set of equivalent link whose path expected to all the use can form the user can form of the set in the step of toppling of that node. This is the fourth step. In the with serial link multiplying their path expressions. So this is the fifth rule which is applying over here. So we are removing the node, right? After that removing, this is the fourth node which we remove the node, and we have to multiply with the link. The sixth is linked to the sixth, linked to the 10th, and the 10th is linked to the 7th. So we are doing the same procedure. We have removed that link, so here 10 is not there. So whatever the link is passing to the 10, that link is passing from 6th to 9th and then 6th to 7th. Okay, and we are giving the multiplication over there. Okay, so this is the serial, that's why we are going to do the multiplication over there. Okay, next we are removing the node 9. So how you are removing the node 9 nodes means you have to find out the easy path. Okay, if you are seeing the easy node which can be removed, and you can give that removing names over there, so you can easily remove over there. So next same thing we whatever we have doing in the previous steps, and same like that we are doing. Okay, so here we are removing the node 9, and that node 9 we will link to the next node, and we are providing the multiplication over there. okay, in that part. So if you are removing, look at this diagram, we are removing the ninth over here. So whatever the link is passing through the ninth, we are connecting to the serial link, okay, and we are doing with the multiplication over there. So this is I L H, okay, I H, okay, K H, okay, I M is N. So from 9 we are not any node to the seventh. We don't have any link to the seventh, so that's why I have put it like that only, I M. So in the seventh we having the node that is K and the H, okay. So saying like that we have doing the K H over there and the K L H we are joining over here. Next we have seven node. Look at here, we are removing the seventh node, okay. In this node, so whatever the nodes are passing, whatever the links are provided connected with 7, that is it is 7 to 3 and 8 to 7, okay. So this node will be, and the 6 to 7th, this three node will be joined over there. So yes, 6 to 7, which is node is passing to 6 to 7, it is connecting to the 6 to 3. So how it is connecting is, look at the flow. 6 to, the nodes passing like this, right, from 6 to 7, 7 to 3, right. So like that we are giving that node name, okay. 6 to direct 7, we have removed 7th node and directly it is passing to this, we have removed the node. So whatever the nodes with names having IMF, so we are giving the name over here, IMF, we are multiplying over there. So next what we have, the next we have the J, okay. So J and F we are multiplying over there. Look at J and F. So here 8 to node is started and 3 means 8, 7, then 3. So this node is traveling. So that's why we are giving the link between like this, okay. So 8 to 3, the traveling to 3, I am giving the label name is F and J. This F and J we are giving the nodes name, okay. Next we have, by using the fourth and fifth rule, same. Hello, it visible to you guys? Hello, anyone? It visible?
No, ma'am.
So look at here, guys. So if we are removing the node 8, okay. So node 8, which nodes are connected? Look at first that 3, 5th, and the 4th node are connected to the 8, okay. So from the 4th node, it will be taking the loops over there, okay. So here from the 8 to 3 we have the JF, okay, and the 4 to 8 G. So same that the thing what we're doing is for 4 to 3 we are providing the loop over there, and we are providing the link to the 4 to 3, and what we are doing is we are writing the name G F G J F, right? We are giving name over there. Same like that from the 4th to 5th it is passing to that. So G K F we are, okay. Now the diagram is like this, okay. So now look at the steps, okay. Parallel terms, okay. For parallel term what we have the rule means combine all the parallel link by the adding their path expressions. So whenever you're providing the parallel terms, what you have to do means you have added that expressions, okay? You have to add expressions over there. So this you have to do as a plus b, example as a plus b. So look at the fourth and fifth node, guys. Okay. So combined and creating a path expressions, okay. While combining the fourth and fifth, we are creating a path expression over there, that is C plus G K H. Okay, C plus G K H, we are combining the path and we are providing the new expression over there, okay. This is a path expression, okay. This is the path expression. So here what you are doing means this is the parallel links, right? This parallel link with that, or by adding them path expression. So we are providing the path expression, that is C plus G K H. So next we have the loop term. So in the loop terms we have the node 4, okay. On the node 4 we have the loops over there. So what we are doing means the graph has been, so what we are doing means we are replacing with them, okay. And we are, what we are doing means we are calling it self loop to the B3 node, okay. We are removing the fourth node over there and we are calling the self node over there. So we in the fourth node from 3 to 4 we are passing the B, okay. So B, okay, B multiply C plus G K H expression, right? We are multiplying B with the C plus G K H expression, okay. And the B is calling the self, third node is calling the self node B G J K, okay. B G J K we are calling over there, okay. And the next what you are doing means, so next we are doing, what you are doing means we are combining them, okay. We are removing this expression, then we have to join with these two lengths, okay. Loop removing. So here what you are doing means we are removing the loop, okay. So this self loop is presenting by the third node and removing the loop. What we have said, whenever you are removing the loop, self loop, you have to indicate with the star symbol over there. So this is our rule, okay. So B G J F. So in this we are providing the self loop, okay. We are removing the self loop, that's why we are providing the star over there. And the B C B C plus G K H, this is the path expression, okay, from the node 3 to 5, okay. So whatever the expression, how you are removing the nodes, that node, then you have the doing the path expression over there. We are giving the new expression by using the multiplication, additional, or multi star symbol. So whenever the removing the self loop, we are indicating with the star node, okay. Next, so look at this. So next we have removing the fifth row over here. So by removing the fifth, what we have the T, okay, I L H, okay. So what 6 to 2 5 it is passing through, okay, right? So what we are doing means if you are removing the node fifth, then this node is calling itself, okay, self loop, and the D is joined to this expression, okay. So look at this, D is joining to this expression, we are multiplying with that expression to D, and the fifth note is that self loop, it is calling itself ILHD. Okay, next same thing, if you are removing this loop, it will be joined to the 6 to 2. Okay, then ILH star 6, same like that. Then it is calling, if you are removing, then self loop will be conducted over here, then ILHD star IMF. Okay, next same procedure, we are removing the 3. So here 6 to 3 loop is passing, so that loop is same, it is calling over there. Okay, ILH star IMF. Okay, B G F star B. Okay, C plus G K H D, it is calling over there. So this is the removing the loops, and then note 6 is result of the following expression. Okay, so this is the part expression. Okay, of your node. Are you clear with this, guys? Are you clear, guys? The thing is, guys, for reducing the thing, we have the rules, guys. Okay, first these three important rules, guys. This rule, guys. Same, these three rules only you have to do it. Okay, this is the four rules we are doing in this. We are removing the nodes. Okay, and we are replacing with the equivalent links over there. Okay, we are providing the link over there. So how we are removing the links? So if you are having the cross terms, so this is the expressions we are getting. So we are doing the multiplication or additional or the self loop. Okay, so this is the steps, guys. So you have to follow the steps for removing the production. So this is the, you have to do the path expression of your diagram. Okay, so till the last note we have done the path expression. Whatever the easy steps will be follow, whatever the easy things will be there, you have to go with that thing. Okay, you have to go with that note. Okay, you can remove any note, okay, in the things, and but you have to choose the note, easy note. Okay, in the path expression you have to get from the notes. So one by one we are removing that, and you are following these three rules over there. Okay, these three rules you are following this in this example. Okay, same, you are removing this thing, you are following the rules over there. Okay, so in the step 4 and 4 nothing is there. In the fourth steps what you are saying is you are removing the loop, so we are removing and replacing with the replacing with the nodes. Okay, we are providing the links over there expression. So same links are the same, these three. Okay, steps. Okay, next what we have. So this is the same process. One by one we are removing the nodes. If we are having the multiplication, then we are doing multiplication, adding. If we are having loops, we are providing the loop symbol over there. The simple we are doing on this diagram. Once you go with that thing, you will get the clarity. Okay, I love this, guys. Shall I explain once again? Shall I go once again? No. Shall I give another
Clear,
example to you
ma'am.
guys? Okay. In this we have the rules, guys. Previous class we have seen name rules, and now we have seen the rules. Okay, so simple thing, if you know the rules you can go with the diagram. Okay, we can go with the examples, guys. So you have to go with the programs. Okay, you can path expression if you know the rules. If you don't know the rules, you can't do that. Rules are nothing is there, guys. Just simple things. Just you have to removing, adding. So what note, what procedure you have to use, what rule you have to use, you have to know with that. So here also in the previous class we have seen these rules. So the same rules were, this is rules you have to follow in these things also. Okay, and here also we have the rules. Okay, and these three rules are very simple, guys. Only four rules you have to remember. If you are not remembering the rules, just keep it in mind, guys. If you have to remove the one note. Okay, and that note, what link is passing to the with that notes, you have to join with the another note. Okay, if you are removing the parallel note, if you are removing the serial links, then you have to multiply. If you are removing the parallel link, you have to add. If you are removing the self loop, you have to give the star symbol over there. So same, keep it in mind, these three rules. And you have to remove your own step. You have to remove your easy note. Okay, the easy note, and which easy note, so you can easily get the result of that path expression. You have to get the path expression of that note. Okay, so you have how you're removing the nodes, you have giving the names, you have to pass what the links is passing through that nodes, and what names are having that nodes, you are providing with that nodes. Okay, okay, you have to, shall I give the assignment questions to you? Assignment questions, say something, guys. Assignment questions. 22. 22. 22, are you there? 22. Find out one.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? uh, Shall I give you assignment questions?
Assignment for mid,
You
ma'am.
have made exams, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Give me that. Let's go with this, guys. in 16 series. 16 series. 16 series.
Yes, ma'am.
Number
523.
5.
23.
523.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 17 series.
Ma'am, 17 series 506.
Okay, next.
5C7, ma'am.
5C7. Next.
17 series 582, ma'am.
582. Okay, next.
556, ma'am.
Next.
D4, ma'am.
T4. Okay, next. Next. 17 series. Okay, 1 to 10.
501, ma'am.
Okay, next.
503, ma'am.
505, ma'am.
508, ma'am. 509, ma'am.
Next.
511, ma'am. 530.
11 to 20.
512, ma'am.
530.
516, ma'am.